Alright guys, so basically I'm Yat Kean here for training ground. So currently at Gamuda Luge Gardens. Okay, so as you can watch here it is, and there's the theme park over there. So we're currently still waiting for the official launch, and then we will go and check out some of the rides and the theme park as well. Okay, so just go and join in this video clip. Alright, let's go. Alright, so this theme park, I will say, as you can see, there is a kind of like a cable tram, so you can go up there. Right, so definitely a cool area to check out. Just newly launched, but again still waiting. So there's also a cafe as well over there, and check out the huge amount of turnout today just for the launch. Okay, so here is the FunPark behind me. So let us go and quickly just go and have a quick walk through what does this FunPark is actually offering for the attendees here. So over there are also some food trucks, but I'm not sure whether they are permanent for this park here, this garden. But we were going to check out more details about it. And over here, check out this hanging watermelons. Man, they are really awesome. Okay, good. So food truck over here. This is the jump shot. Yes, so there are also like height limitations. So for those children, you have to make sure 100 cm and above. Okay, and over here you have Gamuda Gardens Experience Lounge. There's Yao Yao over here. There's a Ferris wheel. Nah, not Ferris wheel, sorry. I forgot what this calls, but there are horses for you to ride on it. So you can check out, there's Yao Yao over here. And then over here there's a fun pod. There's, what is this? Coca or something. So what this actually offers is a coconut shake, or the coconut thingy. And over here is the ticket for the water park over here. So you have to make sure you are ready for wet activities over here. But today I'm not ready for any wet activities, so sorry about that. And here is the A&W over here. So you can check out, you definitely can dine in as well. It's certainly a nice A&W restaurant over here. Okay, and over there you will be heading back to the car parks. Okay, so if you are going to be maybe getting lost a little bit, don't worry, there's a park map over here that's ready to help you. Okay, that will tell you what attraction you can enjoy as well. Okay, so as you can see, the water park is over here, to be honest, and then the Gamuda experience over here. Yep, all the rides over here, and then there's the Ferris wheel. Apologies for that, just now I forgot about that. Yeah, and the horses is called carousel. Sorry again, really too many things to remember. And then here is the Skyline Luge. So as you can see, carousel, jump shot, So there are actually two rides coming up soon. First is the Ferris wheel. Okay, this is coming up soon. And then they say this Boomerang, which is this guy here. So yeah, not bad. And here are what are the food and beverages are being offered right here. A&W, Jihoon Korean Fried Chicken, Coca Loca, Yao Yao, Luge View Cafe. Okay, and FunPark is a retail outlet, so you want to buy the merch, go and get it. Okay. Alright, so right now I'm actually inside the water park itself. So let's go and check it out. So there's a big bucket up there, a giraffe as well. Well, there are multiple animals are there as well. So let's take a walk around over here first and check out what is it. Look. Wow. Looks fun indeed. Looks very, very fun. So there are like a lot of area for you to play. You want to wash yourself, not a problem. So if you want to shoot water on people as well, I think you can play it as well. So there are slides. You can go to the top part of there. You can enjoy all multiple slides. And there are some chairs and tables for you to rest as well. And definitely for sure, there is a lifeguard over here. I'm not sure whether are they going to be on duty for today. But yeah, there's lifeguard over here that's ready to attend to you when there's emergency as well. So you can check out, this is the slide over here. There's a shade area here. So I'm going to use the ultra wide over here, and you can check out, there's so many things you can play over here. And check out all the slides here. Wow, it's a really wet affair over here. So if you have kids that love a lot of all these wet parks, this is definitely a main attraction for them to come over. And check out this huge slide over here. Man, that's good, that's good, that's good. So again, there's another shade area here. So you can check out, there are also a stairs area here for you to slide down for the kids. Definitely, I think it's quite kid friendly area for the water park over here, okay? Alright, so let's go to the main attraction right now, okay? Yeah, that's good. Okay, so once again, you have a locker area over here. You can keep your things if you're scared your things might gonna fall off, okay? And yeah, so let us just quickly go over. And here is what I'm going to need to show you. This is the map of the Luge Skyline over here, the Skyline Luge. Okay, so as you can see, there are multiple areas. There's Legend, Ultra, Gravity, and Express over here. So you have to go and choose which one you want to play, but all of them will be coming back down to here, okay? So let me go and get the ticket first, alright? So hang on. Alright, so I got my ticket over here. Yep. And yeah, this is the pricing for the ride itself. Starts from 20 ringgit. And yeah, it's already available for since. So here are the pricing, okay? So pause the video if you want to check out the rides. But I think it's really a fun ride, and definitely go and check them out. So this is the timing as well. 10 to 6 Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and the others are until 10 to 6. So yeah, not bad, kinda like it. So over there is down there all the sky ride and so on. So you have to go up to your area there, and then yeah, take a ride down back here. So here is a part of a history for the Skyline Luge. So yeah, you can see how is their journey being started. Okay, so 2023 in Kuala Lumpur, right here. Very awesome. Okay, so you have to line up over here. Make sure get all your helmets and so on. Yep. And there's a cafe over here if you want to grab some bites or drinks. Okay, so there's washroom as well over there, prayer room as well. Alright, so basically I'm at the helmet pickup area. Okay, so something for you to take note that each colors is actually representing the individual sizes. So right now I'm wearing orange. I have to wear the extra large. Okay. Yep. So yeah, here is it. There's actually three containers here and another 2 more containers over here for you to pick up your helmet. So let us line up over here. Alright. Alright, we are going up right now. So it's a nice view. So you can check out the highways over there. So we are slowly escalating up to the top of the hill. Awesome, awesome.
Yeah.
Alright, so here is the Skyline Luge. Okay, so I'm at the line here for the first time player. Over there, there's if you are experienced, you line up at the other side over there. So right now, as you can see, it's radiating-ish participants over here. So yep, it's teaching you how to brake, how to maneuver it. Okay, so it's very important for you to learn all the basic maneuvers for this Skyline Luge. Alright, so basically I've scanned the helmet. So as you can see here, you can choose your digital photos and so much more, and then you can just go and check out and pay at the counter. Alright, so yep, hopefully you guys are aware about that. Okay, so we are just gonna quit the session, and basically pretty much easy. So let me show you one more time. Just scan it, boom, you get all your photos and so much more. Alright, so basically I'm done at this luge garden here by Gamuda group, and definitely not bad. The rides, everything are pretty good, but just beware of some of the kids and some other people, you know. Kids, some of them, they just like couldn't control the speed. They might just ram behind of you. Just experienced just now early on. And there are some also other individuals that are like just a bit kind of snobbish, don't line up properly, and then they are just like, you know, deter the experience of it. But overall the rides, everything are pretty good, seriously. Alright, so if you want me to rate this whole luge garden, I will give it a solid perhaps 8 out of 10. I think if you are free, go ahead, come drive all the way to Rawang over here and go and experience the rides themselves. They are actually very fun. If you have like a family, you want to test out something new, yeah, go and try it out. Yeah, just don't let other people deter the experience like what I've just experienced. Okay, so this is Yat Kean. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. Gonna sign out, got another place to go. See you guys on the next one, and remember, if you're still new to the YouTube channel, please subscribe and follow us on the social media. Last but not least, head to the website, read all the news articles, happenings in Malaysia and internationally. Alright, ciao.